Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create MoneyGram account. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser, then search here for MoneyGram. And after that, it will show you this page. Now you have to click on the first link that you will have right here. Just click on it. Then it will jump you directly to this page. Now, what you should do is to simply click on register on the top right corner. And you can also do the same steps by using your mobile phone. So click on register or sign up, whatever thing that you will have. And now you will have to fill in all of this information. So I'm gonna type here my email address, password, then confirm it, and make sure that your password has minimum of 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number, and at least one letter. And don't forget to add your phone number, and when you click on this option right here, it will show you all the countries that are supported by MoneyGram. Then once you finish, you should click on next, and now you will have to fill in more information, which is the personal information section. You'll have to enter your legal first name and make sure that you enter the data correctly as shown in your personal ID or your passport. So I'm gonna fill in all this information. Now after you fill in your information, click on create profile and it will redirect you to another page, and now you are done. You have now created your own account on MoneyGram, and now you can simply send money, track or receive money, or even pay your bills. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.